In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on a Windows PC. By the end of this walkthrough, any links you open from emails, documents, or other apps will automatically open in Chrome, instead of another browser like Edge or Firefox. Let's start on your Windows desktop. First, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the Start menu, look for the Settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click that to open the main Settings window. Once Settings is open, you'll see several categories on the left-hand side. Find and click on the option labeled Apps. This is where Windows keeps all the settings related to installed applications and how they behave. Inside the Apps section, look to the menu on the left and choose Default Apps. This page controls which programs open different types of files and links by default, like your web browser, email app, or music player. Near the top of the Default Apps page, you'll see a search box that says Set Defaults for Applications. Click in that search box and type Chrome. You should see Google Chrome appear in the list of results. Click on Google Chrome to open its default settings. Now you're on the page that shows what Chrome is currently set to handle. Near the top, you'll see a button that says Set Default. When you click this button, Windows will switch most common web-related actions to open in Chrome automatically. If you'd like a bit more control, you can scroll down on this same page. You'll see individual file types and link types like HTML, and protocols such as HTTP and HTTPS. Next to each one, you can manually choose Google Chrome from the list of apps. This is useful if, for some reason, the main Set Default button didn't catch everything. Once you've done that, Chrome is now your default browser. To double-check, you can click a web link from an email or a document and see if it opens in Chrome. If it does, you're all set. That's all you need to do to make Google Chrome your default browser on a Windows PC. If Windows updates in the future, or you install another browser, it's a good idea to come back to this Default Apps section and make sure Chrome is still set as your default.